Today I'm going to show you my bike and my dad just bought it and I'm going to test how good it is. I love the colors and the brake and it's fast. It goes good. Going to test this.
Are you ready?
Ready, go!
Ready? What's that?
Pokemon card.
Oh, I see.
That's the one I didn't collect yet.
Huh?
Mom.
Oh, Gucci bag?
Dad could buy it for you.
I don't like Gucci. I need Gucci.
We gave you a present. Mom, I know the perfect one.
What?
I'm going to hide in a box and when you come in, I say, peekaboo! Well, I don't think I can stay that long.
What?
iPad. Mommy,
Oh, yeah.
find your iPad. iPad and iPad.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have.
I love eating my teeth. I eat my teeth.
Why?
It's so yummy.
Huh?